So tonight for dinner, it's a... So for tonight's dinner, we are having stuffed shells. And we're using beef sausage and hamburger. I think it's chuck. So yeah, that's what's for dinner. And I'll show y'all the seasonings. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. But my daughter's cooking tonight. I don't think she want to be seen. Yay, nay?
About what?
No, it's from the
Oh, no.
Okay, that's it. Okay, she got the sausage and the
Oh, I forgot mine.
hamburger, and I'm gonna add the bell pepper and onion for her.
I forgot it. We're gonna eat this raw, no seasoning, just bell pepper and onion.
So silly. And we got some garlic, and she got the seasonings over there. Yeah, we eating stuffed shells tonight. Okay, so this is a jar of sauce I had already previously made for something else I forgot. So she using that first, and then we're using the Prego basil garlic. I grew up on Prego. I don't know what y'all use. Y'all use what y'all want, but we gonna use Prego around here.
I think I should put the water in it.
Not that water. Hold on, let me go get a bottle of water. All right, we got to put the top on there and swish it around, and shake it up. Every little drop.
Okay, where's the cheese?
No,
The ricotta cheese.
we're finna marry those together and season that up and let it cook for a little bit before you.
Every second.
Okay, so she finna add the meat to the spaghetti sauce, and we're gonna let them marry. I don't know why I say marry all the time. Do you want to add this or no? And she's gonna add some more onion and stuff, and you know, some more seasoning. What is this?
I thought you were handing it to me.
Oh, my bad.
Oh,
you took the top. Oh, it's okay. It's just smoked paprika. It ain't salt.
Can you do the chicken
Okay.
wings for me?
What chicken wings?
My noodles.
What you want me to do with them?
Stir them. Oh my goodness.
She about to add some peppercorns. Well, I'm trying to catch you in, catch this at the same time. I can't do it. She was about to add some peppercorns.
About to. There's a little in there.
That's okay. It's just peppercorns.
Oh look. That's enough pepper.
That's enough pepper. Somebody gonna say,
I'm gonna put this on the simmer.
simmer, yes. And we're gonna let it do what it do. And then we're gonna, what you gonna do after that?
After put the ricotta and stuff on shells.
And such. Okay, so usually when you make stuffed shells or lasagna, you don't put them together, but we do in this family. So that's what happens. Usually you stuff the shells with the ricotta, egg, and cheese mixture, and then spread your meat sauce on top of it. But that ain't how we do it around here. We put all that together and then stuff the shell. Alright. Okay, so she added the ricotta. Now this is a mixture of Parmesan, Italian, and mild cheese. Oh, you added it all. I thought you were going to add some to the top, too.
And now we you're going to have to mix more.
Well, we got another bag of
now
cheese.
We just put it in the oven and bake it.
Girl, you got to put it in the shells. You're so funny.
Dang, I got that everywhere.
What was it?
I don't know. I'm a messy cook.
I used to be a messy cook, and like when I used to fry chicken, it used to be flour everywhere. And the list of them used to hate cleaning up after me, cause I used to have flour everywhere. But now I just learned the.
Not when she bakes though. When she bakes, she gets everything everywhere. It got to the point where I told her she got to clean up behind herself after she bakes.
Not baking. It was just the chicken.
No, I'm talking about you don't get everywhere. You don't do it when you're cooking, but when you bake.
Oh.
The kitchen's a mess, full of candy, baking
Oh.
supplies, what is it? The cupcake tins or the cake? Like, it's just
craziness.
I got to the point where I told her, you gotta do this by yourself.
Okay, so now she's stuffing the shell.
Gotta open it. Yeah, that was a good little stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Oops.
I don't know why she won't put the shells over here.
The oven's hot.
I'll turn it on.
The oven's hot, so. And don't worry, we wash our hands.
I already said we know our hands. You know our hands. Cause I just seen you wash them. And look who here. Ziggy. Look, she watching you so bad. We had forgot to add sauce to the bottom of the pan before we started. So we had to go back and, well, she had to go back and do it. And now she's doing that. So we'll be back. Okay, this is the stuffed shells. We're going to cover it with aluminum foil and put it in the oven for about 30 minutes, maybe 45. And then uncover it, put some cheese on it, and then put it back in for about 15 more minutes. You'll see. Okay, so it's been in the oven for 30 minutes. See that steam? They look good. Now we're going to add
extra
this.
shells. So I stuffed a little bit more.
Y'all, I got this aluminum foil from
Dollar
Tree. You know, it feel like paper, and it sound like paper.
Oh man,
And
smaller
it's the
one.
extra one.
Yeah.
But
This
good.
is the one that's.
And then we're going to put
Gotta
cheese
get
on
toe
top.
up for the
Some
flow up.
Italian style. And then we have also this bacon milk. I bought this during, I had a whole bunch of it during, it said limited edition, but they still had some from Christmas and Thanksgiving on the shelf when I went to the grocery store, so I grabbed some too. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, so I'm making some garlic bread. I'm using this butter, roasted garlic paste, and a 3 cheese Parmesan. And I'm gonna put it in the microwave and put it on some honey wheat. You'll see. Okay, so I put it on the bread, and I'm gonna put it in the oven, and it's gonna be our garlic bread. Make it do what it do. Okay, so it's out of the oven. It's done. Delicious. I'm gonna make a plate. Okay, so here's my plate. I had made a carrot, tomato, and cucumber salad. It has some garlic in it, pepper, salt, paprika, and lemon juice. And then this is the dressing I'm gonna use to pour over it, honey Dijon. And this is my plate. Yay, happy Saturday. See y'all when we cook again.